Everyone, here's a little tiny house that I built during the pandemic. It's a little playhouse for my kids, and it uses a solar panel, 12 volts, and 12-volt lighting. So here's the French doors. Let's walk through and have a look at the inside here. This is going through the main door. It's just about 8 by 10 feet long, and at the back of my property here I have a little creek so that you can see the trees there. It has a little place for your laptop, a little couch, and then a little loft for the kids as well. And you can see all the cedar wood on the roof. So the nice aspect of this house is this tree that's right in the middle that goes up to the loft here, and it's like acts like a ladder. So here's the view of the loft. It has a little rainbow color there that the kids drew. It has their stuffed animals. It has 2 skylights, a little circle window, and the kids can just climb up the ladder as if they were climbing a tree to get to the loft here. Then in the loft, it's quite nice. The windows can open and the kids can read their books, and they can also enjoy the nature there. We put a couple plants for them to look at as well. It's nice also that you can see the stars at night. There are 2 big skylights that look out there, and you can see the trees as well. And here's the view from the loft downstairs. You can see what's going on down below. Down below there's this little couch where you can sit, and it has these bay windows that look out into the nature there, and there's also a little ceiling fan as well. So the kids can sit on the couch and read their favorite book. There's also a book stand to the right. Here are the French doors, and right beside the French doors I built these triangle cabinets or little shelves made from pallets. So I just reused the wood, and also there's a little drawer there. These drawers are found from a TV stand that someone was throwing out, because these days people use LED TVs and they don't use stands anymore, so it's easy to find the wood. There's also a little stand for your laptop, and here's the lights. If you press light 1, it turns on the main light. This is all using Arduino, and this is light 2. Light 2 is the corner bookshelves for the plants. Light 3 is for the loft, and also I programmed
Alexa,
it so
turn off
you can
light 3.
talk to Alexa.
Okay.
Alexa,
Turn on and off the lights.
turn on light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, set light 1 to 10%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light 3.
Okay.
Alexa, set light 3 to 20%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light 3.
So it's fully automated. Light 4 will turn on the lights on the outside of the building. So here's just a quick look around the whole interior of the little building here. Just one room down below. Then it has a little loft at the top. A little couch so you can sit down, relax. Then it has a tree that goes to the loft. Underneath the couch is a little storage for my kids to store their Lego, so they can pull out the Lego. Here we are playing with the Lego. And here's the images from the outside. I planted some ferns along the building and the whole exterior is made from cedar shake. I just made it by, my dad has a cedar bush, and you can use the wood splitter as well. This is the French doors I got on Facebook for $50, and most of every window was on sale. Here's the porch lights. There's also a tree that has a little swing on the side. This is the right side of the building. This is the back windows at the back of the building. You can see how thick the cedar shake is. I just used the wood splitter there. And here's the front view of the building with the little window at the loft. Here's the little desk that folds down. It just has a little hinge there on that wood. Here's some images of the interior. The building. If you enjoyed this, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, you can hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.